You mentioned kanina yung Metro Walk. Ano yung plano nito?
To develop it with Korean mall, building, condo, hotel. It would be a city within a city. Mas modern na sa iba dahil makukopya ko ng lahat yung mga maganda. Lahat na ng latest technology nandiyan. And I propose to the government to put up an iconic building. Dalawa, idudonate ko naman yung more than 40 floors, around 15 billion, idudonate ko sa gobyerno kung papayag sila. If they will approve or not, I'll proceed with my own plan. Babagoyin ko lang dahil yun, iko-connect ko sa survey.
May time frame na po kayo?
This year, doon ilalagay yung machine, boring machine to go around Metro Manila. We have to have an agreement. Magdo-donate ba ako o hindi? Kung hindi, okay lang. Malaman ko lang, wag lang sana madelay.